This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable pop-up windows in the Microsoft Edge web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Microsoft Edge web browser opened up now. To enable or disable pop-up windows, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the three-dot menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the page that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, I'm going to click on Privacy, Search, and Services. Then on the center pane, I'm going to click on Site Permissions. Then the next thing you want to click on is All Permissions. Then right down here, Pop-ups and Redirects. Click on Pop-ups and Redirects. Right up top here, Default Behavior. As you can see, I have block toggled on. I'm blocking pop-ups and redirects. If you toggle this off, you're allowing pop-ups and redirects. Down below that, it has customized behaviors. You can allow particular websites or disallow particular websites by clicking on Add Site. Put the URL in here, click on Add. Any sites that are in here, there will be a three-dot menu off to the right. You could delete whatever sites are in here if you wanted to, and then all websites would have to follow this behavior right up here. Now, if you have pop-ups and redirects toggled on, if you're blocking them and you're still getting them, that could be caused by browser extensions. It could be caused by malware. You would have to Google search the direct issue. That is how to disable pop-up windows. Thanks for watching.